I'm Darielle Snipes with the CMSD News Bureau. Welcome to CMSD 360, a look at news happening around the district for the week of August 14th. There is still time to enroll your child for the 2023-2024 school year. The first day of school starts for most students on Monday, August 21st, and children may still enroll in schools that have already started the school year. If you still need to enroll your child, contact the Office of School Choice and Enrollment at 216-838-3675 or use the Welcome Center Appointment Scheduler at clevelandmetrosschools.org/student registration and enrollment information. And an enrollment specialist will help you register your child for school. Incoming freshmen and parents, it is important to know the start date of your high school. The same is true for all qualifying residents for Say Yes scholarships. You must be enrolled on the first day of school to be eligible for a Say Yes scholarship upon graduation. Also remember, all athletic physicals must be complete before school starts. CMSD CEO Dr. Warren Morgan met with members of Cleveland's faith-based community last week to get their thoughts on what is needed to improve the quality of education in the Cleveland Metropolitan School District for our students and families. He also asked attendees how community partners can assist with accomplishing these goals. This meeting was a stop on Dr. Morgan's listening tour. He plans to hold many more community meetings as well as host 2 larger town hall gatherings in September. The listening tour is designed to help him better understand the district from the perspective of educators, scholars, families, and the community.
As a lifelong learner myself, I know that valuable knowledge is often best obtained by the simple act of highly focused listening. This is where I need your help. I want to hear from you. I want to hear your concerns and thoughtful critiques. I want to know what you think we're getting right, as well as hear your suggestions on ways we can continue to improve our schools and the delivery of our services. I'm especially eager to learn what you believe is specifically needed to improve the quality of education in the Cleveland Metropolitan School District for our students and families. I'd also like to hear how you believe we can best partner to accomplish this goal.
Visit clevelandmetrosschools.org/listening tour for updated information. CMSD's Senate Athletic League is holding 2 name, image, and likeness workshops this week. Student athletes will learn more about the importance of using and protecting their name, image, and likeness on social media platforms and elsewhere. There will be 2 workshops. The first will be held on Monday at the John Marshall High School campus and the second on Wednesday at East Professional Center. Both begin at 6 p.m. Meet and greets at district schools are underway. To find information for when your child's meet and greet is scheduled, go to the district's website, clevelandmetrosschools.org, and click the Back to School tile. The meet and greet schedule is on the left-hand side of the page. This is a great time for caregivers and teachers to meet and talk about expectations for the new school year. On Thursday, CMSD CEO Dr. Warren Morgan will kick off this year's Convocation for district employees. It will begin at noon. Staff, please check your email in the coming days for a link to the Convocation. This is a great time to get hyped for the new academic year and get ready to welcome all of our students. CMSD's new Technology Customer Service Center is now open. The new IT Connect Center is designed with CMSD students and families in mind. The ramped-up service provides an around-the-clock IT experience as well as offer a customer-friendly walk-up service available to students, staff, and family regarding the use, repair, and functionality of all CMSD devices. The Service Center also provides 24/7 technical enhanced customer service. If you need technical support, just call 216-838-0440 anytime. Well, CMSD is hiring. For more information and to apply for a position, go to clevelandmetrosschools.org/hiring. Stay connected with what's going on in the district by downloading the CMSD app or following CMSD on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Thanks for watching CMSD 360. Have a great and productive week.